Hello, my friends. I'm Lisa. Welcome to my miniature house. Wow!
Yes, that's it.
I have an amazing idea.
Oh, wow!
So cute!
Great! So hungry. Do you have anything to eat, Lisa?
Complete the house frame with hardcover and colored paper. I hope you like it.
Woo!
First, make a wardrobe. Apply glue on the cardboard. Combine the cardboard pieces into a wardrobe. Ta-da! Place the wardrobe on the second floor. Next, I will make a pretty green dress. The cool green color is very suitable for hot summers. Little pink bow in the middle. How lovely! Place the bed on the second floor. Apply glue. Add a layer of cotton. Cover with fabric. Cut off the excess fabric. Place the mattress on the bed. Make the headboard. Shape the clay and flatten it. Add ears.
Great!
Place the bed rail on the bed. Decorate the ears, nose, and eyes for the pillows. So cute! Place the two pillows on the bed.
Lisa, the room is so empty. Please decorate the room for me.
Okay.
I will unbox the blind bag. Decorate the bedroom. I need a fish tank.
Aha!
Unbox time. I found a very cute Lego fish tank box. Peeling the seal is full of suspense. You have seen that. Very satisfying. Open it. The manual is very detailed. Let's start assembling. Some scientist and his boss, Glass Aquarium. skeleton. Giant hammer shark. Add water to the fish tank. Make a kitchen cabinet. Apply glue. Combine the cardboard pieces. Cover with clay.
Wow!
Shape the kitchen cabinet. Amazing! Add the cabinet top. Cut the cardboard according to the drawing. Cover with clay. Decorate the eyes, nose, and mouth. So beautiful! Make a chair with clay. Combine the clay pieces into a chair. Use straws as chair legs. Continue unboxing.
Great!
Woohoo! Add a microwave, gas stove, and spices.
The cake is so delicious.
Ta-da! Blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Make a pillow. Use 4 pillows to make the sofa cushion. Decorate the living room. Add paintings. Great! The house is complete.
So hungry. Do you have anything to eat, Lisa? I will go to the kitchen to see if there's anything to eat. There's nothing here. Lisa, where are you?
Hello, friends. I'm Lisa.